Fresh air plays a big role in how comfortable your home feels. In Knoxville, where summers can be warm and humid and spring and fall bring welcome breezes, good ventilation isn't just a luxury, it's essential. One of the simplest and most effective ways to improve airflow in your home is by installing slider windows. Designed for easy operation and wide openings, slider windows can dramatically enhance ventilation in Knoxville residences while adding style and efficiency. What are slider windows? Slider windows, sometimes called sliding windows, open horizontally along a track. Instead of lifting upward or cranking outward, you simply slide one sash past the other. This design creates a large opening and allows for smooth, controlled airflow. Because of their wide glass panels and simple mechanism, slider windows are both practical and visually appealing. For Knoxville homeowners looking to make their living spaces brighter and better ventilated, slider windows offer an ideal solution. Maximizing natural airflow. One of the biggest benefits of slider windows is how much fresh air they allow into your home. Unlike some window styles that only open partially, slider windows can open up to half the window's width. This wide opening allows more air to flow in and out, helping create steady cross ventilation throughout your rooms. In Knoxville's climate, cross ventilation can make a noticeable difference. On mild days, you can reduce reliance on air conditioning by opening slider windows on opposite sides of your home. The natural airflow pushes stale indoor air out and pulls in fresh outdoor air, helping regulate indoor temperatures and improve overall comfort. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, slider windows are especially helpful in areas where easy operation matters. Over kitchen sinks, in bathrooms, or along long hallways, their smooth gliding design makes them simple to open and close. This convenience encourages homeowners to actually use their windows for ventilation instead of leaving them shut. In Knoxville homes with busy kitchens, for example, slider windows quickly release cooking odors and excess moisture. In bathrooms, they help reduce humidity buildup, which can minimize the risk of mold and mildew. Better airflow means healthier indoor air quality for you and your family. Supporting energy efficiency. Ventilation and energy efficiency often go hand in hand. When you can rely on natural airflow, you may not need to run your HVAC system as often during cooler months. Slider windows make it easy to take advantage of Knoxville's pleasant spring and fall weather. Modern slider windows are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature double-pane glass, insulated frames, and tight seals that help prevent drafts when closed. This means you get improved ventilation when you want it and reliable insulation when you don't. For Knoxville homeowners focused on lowering energy bills, this balance is a major advantage. Bringing in more light, good ventilation isn't just about air, it's about atmosphere. Slider windows typically have large glass areas with minimal framing. This design allows more natural light to enter your home, creating brighter, more inviting spaces. Natural light combined with fresh air can transform a room. Living areas feel more open. Bedrooms become more restful. Even home offices feel less stuffy and more productive. For Knoxville residences that value comfort and style, slider windows offer both in one streamlined design. Enhancing modern home design. Knoxville homes range from traditional to contemporary, and slider windows complement many architectural styles. Their clean, horizontal lines add a modern touch while maintaining functionality. They work especially well in spaces where wider window openings are preferred, such as living rooms, basements, and sunrooms. Because they do not protrude outward, slider windows are also a smart choice for patios, decks, and walkways. You can enjoy improved ventilation without worrying about obstructed outdoor space. Low maintenance and long-term performance. Another reason Knoxville homeowners choose slider windows is their durability and ease of maintenance. Fewer moving parts mean less wear and tear over time. The simple track system is easy to clean, and many models allow for easy sash removal for thorough cleaning. When properly installed, slider windows provide years of smooth operation and dependable ventilation. That long-term reliability adds value to your home while keeping everyday living comfortable. A smart upgrade for Knoxville homes improving ventilation doesn't have to involve major renovations. By choosing slider windows, Knoxville residents can enjoy better airflow, enhanced natural light, and improved energy efficiency, all in one upgrade. If your home feels stuffy or you're looking for ways to create a fresher indoor environment, slider windows offer a practical, customer-friendly solution. With easy operation, wide openings, and modern design, they help bring the outdoors in, making your Knoxville residents healthier, brighter, and more comfortable year-round.